Alright guys, so I just got done with some of my family 4th of July events, so here is a big montage of all the fireworks and stuff. So in this next clip, I prank my friend Taylor so badly. So he wanted to come over and play Bean Boozled with me for a video. And I decided halfway through that I was going to prank him and stop eating the beans. I'm just going to show you guys what happened. Alright. Peach or barf?
Yeah, peach. Ooh. Trust me, you know if it was barf. It's bad.
It was barf. 3, 2.
Oh, nope.
Strawberry smoothie.
I was not doing that one.
I'm getting some good ones.
That's a rotten egg.
One. Are you chewing?
Yeah. Want chocolate pudding? Dog food?
Toothpaste or berry blue?
Oh, I got toothpaste.
It still just tastes wrong. The fuck says long clippings are good?
No, I'm serious.
Long clippings. It just doesn't.
Alright, so we're doing coconut one last. Alright, butter popcorn. No, we already did that.
We all that's left is coconut or spoiled milk. I hate coconut.
That was coconut?
It was coconut, but I hate coconut. Ugh. I'm gonna do so much. One.
So bad.
I'll go like one at a time, and it's longer. Sit down, Jesus. Have you not finished, Taylor?
I forgot what to do.
The longer. Fuck your breath. Dude, your breath is bad. Taylor, no, that's fucking disgusting. Swallow.
That's what she said. That's what he said.
Shit
That's
up.
what he said.
It's not gonna help.
You give me a lot more.
You good, bud? Your spit was so many colors. Anything you want to say to the camera while I pick up the ones that I didn't eat? I ate like the first two and then realized I could totally fake it. I stopped eating after like the first one. I just did this and faked it. My hand smells because I've been holding them. I literally haven't eaten any except for like the first one. I stopped after that.
You haven't eaten any?
I've eaten 2. The toothpaste one and the booger one, and then I did the pear one. I've eaten 3 of them. I didn't even do the handful. I did this, Taylor, held it there, and then just went down and put it right here. I have done nothing. Have you accomplished something? That's all the time we have, guys. Check out Taylor. He has a channel that he hasn't uploaded on since I made this video for him.
Alright, so we came to a cemetery and have a witch.
See, I've come out here and I've done the whole thing. There's a ritual even we did, and I completely lost the footage, I realized.
Well,
Because what we did was there's a ritual, and what you do is you drive around this, we're going forward, but if you drive around this backwards 3 times, 3 laps, supposedly she'll appear. but it didn't work for us. We saw nothing. I mean, it was terrifying. Like, there was a lot of suspense, but nothing really came of it, which is weird.
All right, let's get out.
Who do you see, Taylor? Nice.
So we're here.
Really pretty though.
That right.
You walk in, or
Yeah, right there. That stump and that grave.
what?
That tree she was hung on.
It was the 4th of July. You and I were fireworks, tearing off too soon.
Died. Another name, born died. Another name. That's why I'm pretty sure it's just something people thought, but it's actually just 3 people. But I don't understand why they'd have 3 people for one. So maybe they're.
One of these days, I'm gonna lay the night here.
I mean, we've been out here one night.
All right. Well, that was a cemetery. Pretty exciting, huh? All right, let's go. First successful log.
We're gonna upload it tonight. Tonight. Tonight, because we're at 9.
So in this next bit, you're going to see what happens when you saw 3 finales at the exact same time. That's what my brothers decided to do. Alright, now this bit is the next day when our family decided to try it again with 2 huge-ass finales.
It was the 4th of July. You and I were fireworks, tearing off too soon.
I'm good at going back and forth on the filming where you go show me and then you. I mean,
don't
it's not
give a
bad.
shit. It's my
'Cause
first
you're all
vlog.
that
Can
matter.
you
I know.
calm down?
No, like a lot of people don't even film themselves when they talk, so you're doing the opposite. You're like most people, they're so comfortable that they just film what they're doing. They don't film themselves talking. You strictly film yourself. Like right now, you're doing nothing, but you won't.
I'm
take the
listening to you
camera.
talk. Is that okay? Would you like me
But
to
you're
fucking
filming
interrupt
yourself
you?
instead of me. That's my thing.
I'm gonna go.